Just by looking at that sturdy, intricate build, you'll surely love this e-bike for its solid 300-watt rear hub motor and Tianning 48 volts, 8 amp-hour battery. You can travel to work or school with speed and confidence because this fat tire electric bike can reach a maximum speed of 15.5 miles per hour and go as far as 25 miles with the pedal assist. Have a safe ride. This bike displays every details you need on your journey on the stunning LCD system located on the handlebars. It features a twist throttle that gives you instant power to overcome steep slopes and challenging terrains. With all the unique features it offers, you'll never regret buying this fat tire electric bike.
Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.